students, welcome to Universitario Conversa. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use our academic platform, which is the Eacademy. First of all, you will need an institutional account. If you do not have it yet, only ask for it to either your coordinator or teacher. Perfect! Once you have it, we need to log in for the first time. Remember, your institutional account will always finish with @conversa.com.mx. Go to Google and type Iniciar Sesión Gmail and click on the first link. Type your account and click on Siguiente. Your default password is Conversa. Click on Entendido and write a new password. Do not forget to write it down and click on Cambiar Contraseña. Great job! Now you are in. With the institutional account, you will be able to enter your activities in the Eacademy, so it is very important you have it first. Excellent! Well, now type www.conversa.com.mx. This is our official webpage. Click on Admisiones, then Conversa Eacademy. Look for the text Student Login. Type your matrícula there and click on Go. You will see a message of welcome and with full access if you have a covered institution. Click on Aceptar. Look for the book you are in. In this example is the Book 1, Unit 1. In this page, you will see your name, book, and teacher. Below the icon, My Course, you are going to see the activities you need to send. The number 1.1 corresponds to the day Monday. The following number 1.2 are the activities for Tuesday, 1.3 for Wednesday, 1.4 for Thursday, and 1.5 for Fridays. Great! Let's answer some activities as examples. The first one is a video, Greetings and Farewells. Video class, click on it. Watch the full class given by the native speaker Debbie.
Welcome to Universitario Conversa, my dear students, and thank you for taking classes with us. My name is Teacher Deborah, and I'm going to be your teacher. Nice to meet you. In this unit, you will learn greetings, introduction, farewells. Come on, let's get started.
Answer all the questions by the teacher and click on Submit, and that's it. There's a little text that says pendiente. It means your teacher will need to grade them after. We will check that later on. Let's do another activity. Exercise. Greetings and farewells. Important. If you see that the activity says exercise, you will need to look for the same button on the right side of the screen, okay? Perfect. So click on exercise. With your institutional account, you will answer the activities. Let's do it. Click on Guardar automáticamente tu trabajo. This window will only appear the first time you answer the exercises. Then, click on Aceptar. You may watch the video class again if you have more questions. Okay, answer all the questions and then on Enviar. Perfect! Now we are going to see how to attach a result into the Eacademy. Take a screenshot of your result and save it into your computer or mobile device. Open Google Drive with your institutional account. Click on Nuevo y Subir Archivo. Choose your file and upload it. Then right-click on your file and then en Acceso General. Choose Centro Universitario Conversa and Copiar enlace. Go back to the Eacademy and paste the link in the URL box. Type a message and submit it. By the way, there is a little survey at the bottom of the activities. Send it as well. You will be sent to another window. In this report, you can see the activities you have sent, the topic, comments, and your grades in order. Great job! Great! Let's continue with the video. Follow a dialogue. In this activity, you will need to be watching and listening to the video.
Hello, Diego.
Hi, Tina. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay.
It's nice to hear that.
While working with your book in the Follow the Dialogue section, write what you hear on your book. Take a picture and send it into Google Drive. Let's finish these activities for Monday with a listening activity. Click on Audio, Idiomatic Expression. Remember, if you see that the activity says Audio, click on the button Audios on the right side of the screen. Listen to the audio and type what you hear and submit it.
A piece of cake. Easy. I finished the exam in 5 minutes. It was a piece of cake for me.
Terrific job! You have finished the activities for one day. Now you need to notify your teacher so that he grades them. Do not forget to keep working on your next activities for the following days. Finally, click on admin and check your grades. You have done an excellent job. Congratulations!